Hey guys, Brett at Russell Marine Products. Today I want to talk to you about side scan settings and what's best for you. Stay tuned. All right guys, this is Brett at Russell Marine Products. We're going to talk about side scan settings. Shut the motor off real quick. So we always get questions about, what's the best settings for your side scan? Well, it's going to be dependent on your lake, right? Whether it's dirty, clear water, those things come into play. Bright sunshine or a cloudy day, those are all going to affect those things. So I just want to go over a couple of quick things of your settings that you can do on your own to kind of dial in that side scan setting. So as you can see, we're just kind of drifting here. Doesn't give us a great picture, but we're going to start the motor up, so it'll be a little loud. Got the old two-stroke back here, and we're going to kind of talk about some settings. So first thing I think you want to do is find the color palette that you like. This is a HDS 10 Pro. You got 11 different colors to choose from. So that's going to be what looks good to you. And it can affect what the water looks like, but I like to be on 10 right now, so that's what we're going to stick with. We got 455 chirp. Our range is 100 foot out, left and right. And really, the biggest thing is going to be this contrast. So let's get moving here so we can get a clear screen. So as we move, you want on your side scan, you want to be about 3 to 5 miles an hour. That's going to give us our best picture. And as we can see, we've got some logs out here, or maybe some cement bricks are going to be coming up for the pilings. But what we can do on this contrast, as we go up, we see that it gets much brighter right in the middle. So it's more hot right there in the middle. And then as we see out 100 feet to the left and right, we can start to see those things a little bit better. So as I adjust those up, it's going to kind of get a little bit grainy there. So then I want to bring it back down, and we can see the ropes that are tying the docks to the pillars out there in the water. We can see over here to our left-hand side, that's the rocky bank. And right now, I would say that's a pretty good picture. And we're running +5 on the contrast. We're a little hot right there in the middle, but that's okay because everything out to the left and right is pretty clear. And as we can see, that's a pretty good picture under the docks here. So, want to keep moving along just a little bit. And again, the faster we go, the better it's going to be. And I'm going to stop here and kind of turn around so we can go back out of the marina because we're pretty shallow here in Kansas. And as you notice on the screen, anytime you move around from a straight line, you're going to get pretty blurry images, which that's normal. That's what side scan is, right? We want to be moving in a straight line. But I can go to these other color palettes, kind of show you what they look like. Let's go with one. So it's kind of a dark bluish teal color. We'll get a better image as we start moving straight here. Again, on this color, if I stuck with this color, I'd probably want to turn that contrast back down just a little bit to kind of dial that in. So there I went, A3, pretty good picture off to our left. Our right's pretty crowded with the bank here. But really, guys, that's the biggest thing, is that contrast and color palette. You're going to want to choose, you want to get out and play with it. Move around a little bit on the lake when you first get on the water. Check those settings, dial that in. Could it change through the day if your weather conditions change? Of course. But those are kind of some simple settings that we want to share with you to dial in that side scan setting. Guys, if you've got any questions, give us a call at 316-313-4113 or shoot us an email, at sales@russellmarineproducts.com. Till next time, see ya.
Are you tired of your old marine electronics? At R&P, we make trade-in easy. 3 steps. Step 1, shoot us an email, get a quote. Step 2, send us your old unit and get credit. Step 3, get your brand new unit and get installed on your boat today.